Seema completed her degree program recently from well-known technical institute and she is looking for job. But she is confused with what technology she need to choose for better tomorrow. Seema reached us from her friend's reference and we have helped her to get the job. Here is how. At saisoft, Pune we have designed a full-stack developer training program. As a full-stack developer you will be aware of and have hands on all layers of the software applications, including UI, UX, front-end, back-end, server, middleware, security, database and so on. As a start we will first make you aware of source versioning, how to install it and use it. We will use Visual SVN as our local repository and GitHub as our cloud repository. We will use Tortoise SVN and Git Windows or NetBeans as the clients for the same. We will tell you how to create repositories, users, assign user to repository, block users, import code base, commit code, update code, pull code, push code, check-ins, checkouts, compare and diff codes, merge, resolve conflicts, etc. We will start actual hands-on coding with basics of RESTful web services, as nowadays people want to develop the products as core part with API exposed to outside world and also will consumed by their own thin client tapes and mobile apps. We will guide you to understand how CRUD operation done with HTTP methods like post, get, put and delete respectively. We will guide you understand basics of RESTful web services and to develop the web services using PHP, Slim and Redbean PHP using JSON. We will use MySQL as database and will guide to write the complex queries using joins and different SQL clause. We will use the Redbean PHP and ORM tools to map PHP objects to respective MySQL tables. We will guide to test these API using Postman, a Chrome plugin or SOAP UI. We will maintain this code using SVN or GitHub and will deploy it on cloud using AWS, Amazon Web Services or data center or VPS. We will write middleware and server-side validation and will use this over HTTPS to make API more secure. As a part of UI and UX development, we will create the wireframes and will discuss how it is used in market by popular web apps and how we can refine it more. We will guide you to understand the HTML5 features and how it is useful to write more robust and user-friendly apps. For example, doc types, user inputs, validations, placeholders, autofocus, local storage, session storage, required, custom data, attributes and so on. We will guide you to understand Bootstrap as our CSS3 framework and use the script and other components to build the web and the mobile apps UI. We will guide you to understand Bootstrap Angular UI, a third-party framework that can be used to write the Bootstrap Angular UI components using AngularJS directives. We will help you to code to AngularJS and SPA, that is single-page application, to write the responsive and mobile web and hybrid apps. We will guide you to understand AngularJS MVC pattern, controllers, factories, services, dependency injections, modules, routes, templates, resolves, views, UI routes, ng annotations, multiple language support, browserify, betarang, etc. We will write the AngularJS unit test cases using Karma framework. We will help you to code to integrate the thin client code with RESTful PHP API and develop a complete apps. We will maintain this code in local and cloud repo as well. To develop the mobile app, we will help you understand the PhoneGap wrapper. We will create the APK and type using the grunt or gulp and chord of a PhoneGap. We will help you to understand that how to submit these apps to Play Store and App Store and how to release them to market. Here in the full stack development program you will learn to code, deploy, test, use the app using end-to-end tech stack. You can call us on 976211129 to get more details of the same. Let's be a full stack developer, let's make a difference and be hero of the IT industry. Thank you. saisoft Technologies, Pune.